Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start at the scalp because that's where tension and knots live. Section hair into manageable parts and clip them out of the way. This lets you work methodically. Apply a penetrating oil or a slippage conditioner directly at the base, then let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so bonds and matting soften. While you wait, fill a spray bottle with warm water to rehydrate fibers. Once soaked and softened, you'll be ready to isolate one extension and begin loosening without cutting. You now focus on a single extension and treat it like delicate machinery. Pinch the natural hair just below the attachment to stop tension transferring, then use the rat tail to tease apart the first few loops slowly. Spray with warm water and reapply oil as needed to increase slip, and comb gently from attachment outward. Small, repetitive motions work better than force. Once you see the knot loosen, slide it along the extension toward the tip instead of back toward the scalp. Finish by washing the freed sections to remove oil and residue. You'll want a moisturizing shampoo followed by a deep conditioner to restore elasticity. Inspect the roots under good light for remaining tangles or weak strands. Trim only if there is irreparable damage. If you encounter a stubborn knot, stop and reapply oil or conditioner. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, then gently work it again. This troubleshooting tip prevents breakage and gives you a safe second pass without cutting your hair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.